Hi, I'm Brian Fitzgerald, the training specialist with the Center for Excellence in Learning and Teaching and the Center for E-Learning at Valdosta State University. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can automatically customize course content using replace strings in BlazeVIEW. Replace strings are variable names that are automatically replaced by the corresponding configuration variable values using metadata stored in our learning management system. That's a fancy way of saying that you're asking BlazeVIEW to go look up some piece of information it has stored and display that information for students. As you can see in the screenshot, the announcement I've created has been personalized to include my first name. Now, I didn't just type in, "Hi, Brian." That would only work if every student in your class was named Brian. Instead, I used a replace string to ask BlazeVIEW to go look up the first name on file for everyone who accesses the course page. This is one example of how you can use replace strings to incorporate personalized content, increase engagement levels, and improve the overall learning experience. To use a replace string, you will include a specific variable name between two curly brackets. I've included some common replace strings on screen. This includes the user's first name, last name, their internal BlazeVIEW email address, the username that they use to log in, the organization name, which shows up as Valdosta State University, and the org unit name, which is the name of the course itself. By far, the most common usage is going to be incorporating the user's name, like I had with a demo, but these other options do exist as well. The other way you are likely to use replace strings in BlazeVIEW is if you are sending automated messages using intelligent agents. An intelligent agent scans the learning environment for users who meet some predetermined criteria, which you can specify. For example, you might want to scan the learning environment for any user who hasn't logged into BlazeVIEW for the last 7 days. Setting up an intelligent agent is beyond the scope of this video, but I do have other videos and resources that can help you with that process. Now, you can set up an intelligent agent to simply produce a report that tells you what students meet a particular criteria, or you can set it up to automatically send a message using the internal BlazeVIEW email service to the students who meet that criteria. To do that, you'll use the initiating user replace string in the email to box. Then you can use initiating user first name and or initiating user last name in the subject or body of an email. Then just type whatever message you want to send, and it will appear as though you composed a personal email to that particular student. And that's how you can automatically customize course content using replace strings in BlazeVIEW.